Hello everyone, Like here. So I'm really excited to show our new beta launch about AI course creation. So this is a beta I have just posted and pushed into the live production, which you can use from now, and you can start giving me feedback directly via WhatsApp or Messenger, however you want. And if you come to your courses, you will see this nice little banner here. And if this annoys you, you can simply cross it, okay? And if you close it, you will see a button here. So in case if you need in future, so I have covered both for you. So now let me go ahead and show you how these things work. So you just click on this create, and then you have multiple options here. You can choose document, URL, or YouTube video for creating your course curriculum, or plain the description, however you want. So yep. So let me choose a document here, and with the document, you can provide some more additional context using text. So this will help you as well. So I have a PDF file I have created long ago for YouTube. So I will create based on that. So let me go ahead, and you can provide title, audience, English. You can choose a different language from here. For beginner, advanced, whatever you want. You can provide some more details here. What your learner should do, all are optionals. And I just want 6 lesson. You can create 7 lesson. I will keep 6 and 3, and whatever the lesson type you want. So let's say text, video, but you can change all of those things later. And it will cost you only 100 lesson. And for, let's say you want to regenerate the complete chapter, it will cost you only 20. And for a lesson, it will be 10. But you will be able to manually update everything. So let me go ahead and create the curriculum and see. So it might take a little bit of time. So while it is generating, let me go ahead and show you. So we have the Easy community coming up really soon. A lot of works is going on. And you see, I just do this guys to make it only 2, not so many actually. And you can create channel group and all those things. Here, switch to different community. And this is a normal one. We can go ahead and text. You can just click. You have few options here, or you can get the options from here as well. Provide the heading just like this. So yeah, a lot of cool stuff coming up. Let me see what happens. So my chapter is already done. I have 6 chapter, 18 lesson, and for beginners. So you can move different chapter with each other using this drag and drop. Obviously, you can just hover over here, and you can just update this one. I'll keep it as is. You can just click here and then update this one as well. And if you click here, it will regenerate. You can delete as well. You can change the lesson type from here. And once you review, and once it's all good to you, simply you can also change the title as well and the description however you want. So everything is editable manually for you. Once you feel looks good, you just click looks good, and boom, it will start creating all of your lesson and you do curriculum, and you do not have to do anything. And it's a little bit quick. So let me write, done. Click close or view course, and it will take you to the course here. So now you can see all of the 6 chapters, and each chapter has 3 lessons all done here. And let me show you another interesting cool things here. Once you create a lesson, you will be able to see now this new little build with AI options here. Once you click here, you will see more options here as well. So you can create a complete lesson from description or document, and you can provide more sources, either another document or URL, and create one more. You can provide a YouTube video as well here. So yep, however you want. And this will cost you, let's say this is the lesson, it will just cost you 200 credits. If you want to add one more source, it will cost extra 50. And then if you want another source, it will get extra 50 credits. So it's not much, but let me go ahead and show you how it create a lesson. And once you click, you can provide the branding, English, all the sorts of things. You can extend the AI to extend your document, okay? And you can provide optional description here, add a little bit gamification, which takes a little bit of time, and just click generate. So it will go ahead and start planning for you. And then once the plan is ready, you will be able to see it here live. After that, it will start generating for you. So I can see, we can see 6 sections already done. Okay, sometimes quick, sometimes slow. So yeah, you have to be a little bit patient. And basically, you do not have to do anything. In this phase, you can just upload those documents and you can just leave, and it will automatically create the lesson for you and upload everything for you. So you do not have to do any other task here. You can simply leave it as is. So here streaming mean it is generating, and you might see rendering if it is not streaming. And on any error for generating here, you will be able to retry. So this is at the moment at beta version, so we have to do a lot of testing, and I have posted so that we can do a lot of live testing with many other users, including our team members and you as well. So yeah, if you have any kind of advice or suggestions, feedback, feel free to reach out to me directly or post in our feedback website or in Facebook group as well. So 4 of 18 section already done. We need to wait a little bit longer. Sometimes it generates really heavy sections. Sometimes it generates graphs. So it might take time. So while it is taking time, let me show you something here. This card is small. I want a little bit bigger. Here we have, you see a little bit few things here. One more, we have a very good nested. You see, this is following now. I like this one when I saw. This looks really cool. Yep, so this is what I wanted to show you. And also a lot of cool stuff coming up, and once we are happy with everything, we will push it. It's already live actually, and we will push it to EzyCourse as well at some point. So we have 15 slides done here. Let's see what happens. One more section to go. Let me see. I might see sometime errors, so I will keep it open, the network. If I see any kind of error, then I will be able to inspect it as I make the tutorial. Let's see what happens. Last section actually. Once this is done, it's done. You do not have to do anything. Yep, the quiz version takes a little bit of time because there's a lot of tokens to generate. That's why. Yep, wording is one of the annoying thing I have faced while building with AI. Here, whenever you came here to test, I have to wait patiently. Before I was doing it in parallel, I had to write one by one. Then I recharged a lot of credits, and based on that, I actually made it in parallel. So let's wait and see. Yep, quiz 12 KB, 13 kilobyte of data. That's why. Maybe 15-20 kilobyte it might take. Okay, already 15 kilobyte crossed. Yep, there's the one slide. When you add a quiz, it also has to generate interactivity, which makes the token much bigger, longer. So the good thing is that it's still generating, still coming up. So done. You have to do nothing here. Boom, done. Fantastic. So we can see our slides here. I can go to the course preview, and if I come to the preview, you can see all of my slides here. It tries to generate the relevant picture for you. It's random, but obviously you will be able to change. You can see it in full mode as well. You can use, I am using keyboard. So let's see, it generated coding example as well. So this looks really pretty good. Yeah, graphs. Let's see if it works. So I think next question. So generated pretty nice squeeze actually. Oh, so I'll just go back. So this is how it works. Now let me show you how you do the editing. You just click on the edit and you'll see all the slides here. If you want to edit some slides here. So let's say the picture, you just click on it, image, and you provide the image full URL here. We are not using gallery at the moment, but soon we will attach the gallery, but you can use the picture. And here you can chart here, and then let's say you want to change this picture to something else or the section to something else. You can use the background or whatever from the controller or from the chat here. You can just make it works. And if you want to do the preview, just click preview to use it, or simply go to the slides you want. You can use the copy duplicate here, or delete or add a new slides. You can point out where you want to add the new slide and how you want. You can provide an image here if you want. And also you can provide HTML here. You will get some sort of template here, what you want to add in order to make it possible. Just click it, use template, and it will be copied. And you can paste it to any other AI to give you more slides however you want. And just click slides and it will be available. So, yep, and let me show you one more thing here. You can change branding quickly here. You see the branding has been changed. And if you change the color, you see one little interesting thing. The text also adjusted based on the background. So it only works there. So it's a little bit nice, but interesting. So if I click update and just boom, it's done. And we just have to close it here. And it's updated here. Let's see if it is updated here as well or not. So yeah, it might take some little time because it is cached. So that's why. But overall, it will be available for everybody here, just like here. So thank you for watching. Keep me updated for any feedback if you have. Thank you for watching.